Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how we can change the notification sound on Samsung phones. Before starting the process, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. To start the process, we enter the settings. We scroll up the settings screen and tap on the sounds and vibration option. Then we select the notification sound option. We choose the one we want among the notification sounds listed on the screen that opens. In this way, we change the notification sound of our phone. If you want, you can change the notification sound using the notification sound volume setting at the top. Additionally, you can mute notifications by selecting the silent option. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.